Well, what are we going to do?
Make a cake for me. Big and delicious one.
Oh, that's my kind of thing. Oh, sure.
I love cakes. Well, I've never made them before though, but it seems to me that there's nothing complicated. Especially since the cakes are already there. I'm going to put on some whipped cream. And then add some Skittles candy. Ah, yum. I'm going to do the same thing with the second layer. And actually it's delicious. So there's gonna be cream and candy Skittles. Oh yeah. Amazing! More and more of it. Oh yeah! Unbelievable! I want to try the cake too! Yeah, there's gonna be nothing left for the baby. I'm gonna make a cake in an unusual shape. It's shaped like a Snicker. I will use an insole as a mold. Next, I will fill it with cream. I'll use it to coat the entire cake. Smoothing it out with a spatula and… there we go! The more decor, the cooler. Incredible! I'm an artist. Oh, that looks unusual. But who would like a cake in the shape of a shoe? It's not appetizing. What's everyone's favorite? Right, apples. We need to make a cake in the shape of an apple. To do this, we first need to cut the cake a little. All the excess is gone. And next we need to give the cake the appropriate color. To do this, we'll take the red chocolate. Oh, melted. Oh, be careful, everyone. Melt it over the cake and pour it on. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, my hands. But it's delicious. The most important thing is to make it delicious. Oh, wait, how come? Everyone's cakes are almost ready. And I accidentally ate mine. Oh, what should I do? That's right. All we have to do is drizzle some chocolate onto it. It's going to be a poop cake. That's very funny. And some eyes, of course. It's just like the emoji. Amazing! That's disgusting. Okay, choose. Everything looks so appetizing! Let's start with this one. It's the chef's cake. I've never eaten cakes like that before. It looks interesting. I hope it's also delicious. Next, I'm going to try the apple cake from Grandma. It looks really yummy too. Well, it is also awesome! And now, Brittany. Sister! Well, your cake looks funny. Let's give it a try. You know what? It's also delicious. Don't even know who to choose, bud. Let it be! Grandma!
Oh, yay! Oh.
This time, I want to enjoy my favorite drink, cacao.
I can do that. We should start with Nutella. Only before, I will try it myself.
Yeah, this is simply amazing.
You're going to eat it all again! Oh, why Nutella? You should just make plain cacao. What would be better than that? Some Nesquik powder? Some milk? And let's wait for it to boil. In the meantime, I'll be kneading. Oh, look at this cuteness I'm making! Oh, it's my… Oh, my precious one, it's for the mug! Oh! Oh! Cacao! It almost… Oh, okay, I got it.
Good thing I remembered in time. Look at this cuteness. Oh, the baby will drink it and feel incredibly cozy. And 2 gingerbread men won't be extra either. Beautiful. Except that Nesquik is way too cheap. Toblerone chocolate is what we need. First, we need to melt it in milk. Next, we take the chocolate syrup and put it into the jar. Oh yeah, using a whisk like this, we're gonna spice up our syrup. Well, not literally, we're just gonna put it on the sides of the jar. Oh, it's so much prettier that way. Now pouring our cacao in and some whipped cream on top. Let's decorate it a bit as well. That is amazing! Oh, this chocolate base is so good! I just can't stop! Wait, where is it? Oh, I ate it all again! Wait, right! We can just pour milk into the Nutella jar, and then we gotta shake it well. Amazing! Next, we can decorate the whole thing with marshmallows. The more of them, the tastier it'll be. Yeah, I agree. There's no such thing as too many goodies. Well, baby, time for you to decide who wins.
I am in shock! I've never seen cacao like this before! I think I'm gonna try Brittany's drink first.
Wow!
Oh, Nutella and marshmallows! I really love it! Yummy! Next up is cacao from my grandma. Oh, she turned ordinary cacao into something unrealistically beautiful and cozy. Oh, gingerbread cookies are amazing! And so is the cacao. Chef Alice made something incredible! I've never seen this before! Oh, here we go! Carefully! Oh! Oh no! I've ruined it all! Too bad. Well, apparently… Grandma, you're the winner.
Me? Oh, yay! I didn't try for nothing!
Now I'm craving something more serious, like French fries.
Boring and easy. There's nothing to cook here. First, the potato needs to be cut into slices. I use Ecotana for that. I want everyone to see what I can do. Next, the potatoes need to be boiled, then thrown into a blender and turned into mashed potatoes. We need to add some flour to it. That way, you get a potato dough. It needs to be rolled out and then cut out. We're gonna have these cute little circles. You know what? I will draw smiley faces on them. Let's do this. Oh, this is just what I wanted. And only after that, they can be dipped in boiling oil. Now that's what I'm talking about. Way cooler than corny fries. All that's left is to… Oh, what? Oh, where's it coming from? Oh, sorry. I just started peeling potatoes. Oh, this drill is helping me a lot. Done. Next, the potatoes needs to be sliced into pieces. And we can do that with a special thingy here. Now they can be laid out on a plate. Of course, you can't go anywhere without sauces. If the potatoes are the dress, then ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard are the other parts of the lady. Oh, it turned out very pretty. Just look at that!
That looks ridiculous! Now, I'm going to show you how to cook. First of all, add a lot of oil. The main thing is to make sure there's nothing extra in the pan. Then we put the potatoes in. Oh, the oil is splashing, but I'll protect myself with a lid. Yeah, that's a genius solution. Oh, where did the fly come from? Oh, that was painful. Man, my potatoes are burnt. Oh no! What am I supposed to do now?
Don't be upset. Have some fries.
Thank you, Grandma. It's very tasty. Wait, it's candy! Brittany loves it. Let's do something unusual. Some syrup, sweet potatoes, and we're ready. Wow! Just look at that! Everything looks cool, but I'll start with Grandma's first. They're just fried potatoes, but pretty delicious. What did the chef make? Those are some funny faces. Also very tasty. Oh, and Brittany gave me something unusual. It doesn't look like potatoes, but it is delicious. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever! You're the winner, sis! Oh, hear that? I've won! Yay! Let's start with a chocolate bar. I want a cake in the shape of a chocolate bar.
Unusual, but it'll be done. No problem.
Oh yeah, making a cake in the shape of a candy bar is super easy, especially when it's chocolate. All I have to do is pull out some stuff from my backpack. And there's a whole pile of goodies. Let's take off the wrappers. Great!
Hey! Why are you littering? You're throwing it right at us!
Oh, sorry. I was getting carried away. I'm gonna make a giant one out of these candy bars. It's gonna be a masterpiece!
Oh, Brittany, calm down. Why are you so excited?
Because I can't wait for my sis to try it. In order for that to really happen, I need to melt it. I'm going to use a hairdryer for it. There we go. Done. It's incredible!
Okay. That's weird. I'm going to use some Nutella. It's actually amazing, I'll tell you that. We're pouring it into a mold and adding some fruits. Oh, I think it's a great idea. All that's left is for Nutella to harden. Beautiful!
Grandma, that really is a cool idea. But I want to make something out of chocolate paste too. I have so many of them. Which one should I choose? I guess I'll take the pink one. It's a Kit Kat paste. I will pour it into an egg-shaped mold. I'm going to have a Kinder Surprise of my own making. In order to do this, the chocolate needs to be frozen. This can be done using liquid nitrogen. And guess what? I have something even cooler. A freezer spray. Perfect. Now I have a homemade chocolate egg. I need to cut off the top and fill the egg with all sorts of chocolate pastes. Well, the more of them, the more delicious it will be. Let's go, layer by layer.
Once the egg has been filled, we need to close it and decorate it with some cool parts.
Wow!
Mine is a unicorn covered in flowers. I think it's very, very pretty. Oh, Grandma, is it everything ready?
Oh, yes. My fruit and berry chocolates are ready. It's time for Lindsay to pick the winner.
Everything looks so appetizing! I think I'll probably start with this one. Ooh, cool! I love all of these bars. Unreal! Now from my granny. There are berries and fruits. Let's see. I love that kind of stuff. Awesome! Well, all that's left is to try this cute egg from Chef Mandy. It's both unrealistically beautiful on the outside and filled with different chocolate pastes inside. Oh, it's definitely going to be delicious. Woo! I'm speechless! I'm sorry, but this is the best thing I've ever tried. Chef, congrats!
Oh, thank you.
Well, I want something more serious this time. Bake me some waffles.
How do you do that? I don't even know.
It's the easiest thing in the world. I'll do it.
Oh, that's interesting. I'll get started. The first thing we need is some dough, some flour, then eggs.
You think you're going to beat me? No way. I have a lot more experience.
Whatever. Let's see who wins. You're going to do it with your hands? Oh, I have a special machine for that. I'll do a much better job. And it will be a lot faster. Oh yeah, perfect. All done. All that's left is to pour it into the waffle iron.
I'm also done.
Why are you guys fighting? Anyway, I don't really know how to make waffles or dough or whatever it's made out of. Okay, I'm going to have something way cooler. We need some Hubba Bubba gum. I love it. And I'm going to put it in a special iron. Let's make sure the lid is closed. And… yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Well, I'm all set. You think you were gonna beat me? No way. Well, let's see. It's bubblegum flavored waffles. You can't swallow them, but you can definitely chew it. And some syrup on top. That's just pure magic. Ooh, cool! What do I decorate it with?
Berries and maple syrup are a win-win option. They'll make the waffles both delicious and beautiful. Oh, I'm already drooling. It's amazing.
Wow.
I think I'm going to turn waffles into a rainbow. First, I need some candy-flavored food coloring. I'll use it to spray paint the waffles. And I will get the colors that I need. Oh yeah. Next, I need to add some decor. We're going to add some clouds. More specifically, whipped cream. Oh, this is so cool. Lindsay, time to pick the winner.
How beautiful everything is! Rainbow waffles! I've never seen stuff like that. It's very colorful and eye-catching. Also, it's so delicious! Next, going to try waffles from my grandma. They have berries on them, and I love it. Awesome! The only portion left is from my sis. Wait, it's bubblegum flavored? Let's try it. It's not only pretty, but it's so delicious and so original. Look, I can blow bubbles. This is a clear winner. Brittany, congratulations. Well deserved. Yay! I knew right away. Well, I want a cake. Whoever makes it better wins.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Here's my favorite jar of peanut butter. It's going to make a delicious filling for my cake. To win the challenge, you have to be imaginative. So I'm going to make a cake in the shape of an appetizing grilled chicken. My granddaughter will definitely love it. Oh, this already looks amazing. Just look at that, the perfect chicken. But I have to add something else. Why not add honey? It will make the crust shiny and golden. All we have to do is smear it on with a brush and fry it. Grandma likes to add a little fire to her dishes. Now the cake looks just so wonderful. Oh, something's burning. Oh no! Make way for the chef! It's time to create a new masterpiece! Oh, this kitchen has never seen anything like this before. Oh. Huh, almost forgot about the cream! Yay! Now it's going to look perfect. You know what? We're missing some color. The girl's favorite color is green, so I'll start there. And then, I'm going to add some yellow. And look at this watermelon.
Oh no! Everyone is already done with their cakes! And I haven't even started mine! But I can't cook. You know, this hedgehog is amazing! My sister is gonna love it! Well, I got the cakes ready to go. Now we need some cream and chocolate. Twix sticks, some eyes of course. Oh, look at that! And those teeth! Oh! This is kinda scary! Okay, I need to think of something better. Oh! Look at that! I can order a cake online! Well, that sounds perfect! Thank you! Check it out, guys! Wow! These are for me? Let's start with this giant burger! That's a lot of layers! It's amazing! And it is so sweet! I love it! It's delicious! But I've got 2 more cakes to go, and I want the chicken one now. Oh, it's so good! I smell honey and peanut butter. Next, we have this giant watermelon. Wow, it's beautiful! What about the flavor? There's strawberry, orange, and pistachio. This is wonderful. And everyone wins!
Yahoo!
Oh, yeah! Oh, that was hard! Now, cook me some eggs. And not just any eggs, but appetizing glazed ones. Ha! Easy peasy. That's funny. Look what I can do.
Oh, grandson.
Oh man, I broke an egg. Well, we just remove the shell and turn on the stove. It's time for some cakes.
Well, I'm going to deal with these eggs now. Let's mix it all up. Yeah, Granny, I've separated the whites from the yolk. To win the challenge, we have to try our best. I'll use an old trick I learned in France. We put a plate upside down in a frying pan and pour whites on the edges. When it's fried, we can remove the plate. Oh, that's too complicated. Grandma has her own recipes, proven over the years. First, we boil these eggs. And now, let's create something. I'll need skewers and some foil. Look at this little egg kebab. Oh, I think something's burning. Grandson, you've been playing again! Look!
Oh, no! What am I gonna do? My eggs are burnt. Oh, it can't be saved. Wait, I have an idea. If the baby doesn't like the flavor, she might like the decor. I'll add a little ketchup. What do you think, Nana?
Oh, not bad. For loss. The dish has to be not only pretty but edible. We're slicing an egg and making some flowers. Oh, what a beauty. Is that it? We need to add barbecue sausages. Bon appetit.
What? Oops. That smells like it's burnt. I'm not gonna eat that kind of food. Oh, these funny flowers are way better. Grandma made them. Well, that's great. I was right. Wow! Chef fried up some sausages for me. It looks like a slice of pizza. It tastes so cool. Especially with the sausage. Thank you so much. Time to pick the winner. And it's Grandma!
Ooh la la! Chef, I've won!
Attention! Your next task is jelly. Can you make it?
Easy. The main ingredient in any jelly is gelatin. And of course, don't forget the sugar. We pour in some water and stir it up. I have a special super powerful mixer for this. Look at these colors of the rainbow. Time to get our mold out, friends. So, purple comes first. Then the rest of the colors. That's great, Chef. But Granny has a mold too. And instead of sugar, I'm going to use the strawberry jam. I made it from the fresh strawberries from my garden. Water, gelatin. Oh! Oh no! Has anyone seen my glasses? Where'd they go? Oh well, time to put my mold in the fridge. Oh, am I close? It's kind of hot in our kitchen. Oh, we gotta close the window. It's freezing.
I don't know how to make Jell-O. Wait, I've got a pack of gummy bears. I'll make something up in no time. Hey, hello? Yummy. Well, soldiers, let's do this. Reinforcements are on their way. Well, my jelly's almost ready. Look at that! I wonder what the chef is up to this time. But mine looks incredible.
We'll see. Perfecto. I bet this is the best jelly cake you've ever seen. We should decorate it with berries. And then I'm gonna add some cream. Where am I?
Grandma, are you okay? Did you lose your glasses? Here you go.
Oh, thank you, grandson. What would I do without you? Oh, I don't remember leaving the house. Look at that. Oh, that's crazy, Chef. But I'm sure the baby will love my jelly just as much.
Wow, that's amazing! What? Glasses in a jelly? It was made by Grandma. Sorry, bud, I don't want to try it. Let's try this rainbow cake instead. It's so beautiful, smells so good, and is just delicious! What did my brother make? Wow, so many gummy bears! I've never eaten so many in my life! It's delicious! Brother wins!
Me? Are you serious? Oh, yeah! Way to go!